Alright, so we're out here playing with the exhaust system here. This is basically it from the straight 3-inch pipe out of the Y pipe back. It's the pre-muffler, center section, rear muffler, and the tailpipe. 2 hangers, one there, and these joints get clamped together with one of those, stainless steel ribbony. It's not ribbon. It's basically a big sheet of stainless steel with 2 bolts that clamp it together. So we're going to hang this up in there. Then we're going to measure how far we have from the pre-muffler to the Y pipe. And then we're going to cut that piece to the length. And then we'll have a whole exhaust system. Still have to do the front. I didn't pull this stuff down yet and, weld it up or anything. More on that later. But let's get this thing hung up there. Okay, we got all these bandy things installed. They go on real easy. Just 2 long bolts. We may have to cut them off. We'll get it under there and see how it does. If they don't interfere with anything, we'll just leave them like that. Okay, we got the exhaust up under there now. Muffler. There's the pre-muffler. And that gap there between the Y pipe and the pre-muffler is about 11 3/4 inches. So measured up a hunk of the original front pipe to 11 3/4 inches. And now we're going to go out with our fancy pipe cutter out here, which is a grinder mounted to a hunk of wood. And we'll cut it and stick it up there, see how it fits. Well, okay, it's up in there. Blackie 3-inch tip, mufflerizer, and full 3-inch pipe all the way up to the pre-muffler and then onto the Y pipe. The part between the pre-muffler and Y pipe isn't on there permanently yet because we still got to take that apart to go get the header collector stuff all welded up, but we can at least start it up and find out how it all sounds. Okay, here we go. If it starts, you'll get to hear what it sounds like with the full exhaust system. I think the exhaust leaks are louder than the exhaust now. That's it. Now I get to pull it all apart, weld that stuff back together, well, weld that stuff together to begin with, and seal up all the joints. And we still got to figure out that front hanger. Got to make something to go on there, and we got to drill a hole for the O2 sensor bung. Then hopefully when that's all done, hopefully this thing will start running a little better, and we can move on to the front suspension here. That's been waiting for us to stick back together. Well, that's about it for this weekend, I think.